You open the Play Store to download an app or update one you already have, and it just sits there. Pending. Not downloading. Not moving. Just stuck. You have tried waiting. You have tried canceling and restarting. Nothing works. Today we are fixing this completely with two native steps. First, we are going to reset the hidden Google Services framework that controls how your phone connects to the Play Store servers. And second, we are going to clear out the corrupted Android download manager that is silently blocking everything. Let us get your apps downloading again right now. Welcome back to Gen 2 Solutions. The pending problem is one of the most frustrating Play Store issues Android users face, and the fix has nothing to do with your internet connection. It is almost always a corrupted cache sitting inside your Google services in the background. I am using a Samsung phone to demonstrate this, but these steps apply to all Android devices. Let us start with the first fix. Open your Settings app. Tap on Apps. Scroll through the list until you find Google Play Store and tap on it. Tap on Storage. Tap Clear Cache first, then tap Clear Data. Now go back one step to the main apps list. This time, find Google Play Services and tap on it. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache here as well. Here's what we just did and why it works. Google Play Store and Google Play Services are two separate but connected systems working together in the background to manage all your app downloads and updates. When the cache data inside either of these gets corrupted, they stop communicating properly with Google's servers, and your downloads get stuck in a permanent pending loop. Clearing both caches forces them to rebuild a fresh, clean connection to the servers the moment your phone restarts. Your personal apps, your account, and all your installed applications remain completely untouched. If this is already making sense and you can see exactly why your downloads were stuck, take 1 second to hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Gen 2 Solutions family so you never miss our daily Android optimization secrets. Now for the second fix, which unblocks the native Android download manager. This is a hidden system component that most people never know exists, but it controls every single download on your device, including Play Store installations. When its cache gets corrupted, it creates a silent, invisible block on all downloads without any error message or explanation. Go back to the main apps menu. Look for the filter or sort icon and tap on it. Turn on Show System Apps. Now use the search bar to find Download Manager and tap on it. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache here. Now restart your Android device completely. When your phone powers back on, open the Play Store and try your download again. The pending status will be gone, and your apps will begin downloading and updating immediately, just like they used to. Here's the full picture of what we fixed together. Corrupted cache inside Google Play Store and Google Play Services was breaking the connection to Google's servers, and a blocked download manager cache was adding a second invisible barrier on top of that. Clearing all three and restarting gives your phone a completely fresh start and restores your downloads perfectly. And if your phone gets extremely hot while downloading apps or running games, our next video shows you exactly how to fix Android overheating instantly using only your built-in settings. It pairs perfectly with everything we covered today, and the link is right there in the description. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, just comment it. I reply to every comment. Thank you for watching Gen 2 Solutions, and see you in the next video.